are going to see how to make guacamole. It is a famous Mexican side dish, a dip with avocado. Let's see. These are the ingredients we need to make our guacamole. Finely chopped onions, finely chopped tomatoes without seeds, finely chopped green chilies, finely chopped coriander leaves, one lemon, one avocado, some roasted cumin powder, and salt to taste. Cut the avocado carefully. I mashed it. Now I'm adding all our ingredients that we took. Cumin powder, chopped onions as much as you want, chopped tomatoes, green chilies, coriander leaves, some lemon juice, salt to taste. Mix it well. I mixed it nicely. It is an awesome dip for nachos. Sometime I make this as a side for roti. It is a really great option. My kids love it and we make sandwich with this. Do try this and enjoy. Try this and enjoy with your family, and thanks for watching.